Did you know that your Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, or even Android phones have hidden features that most users never unlock? Well, today I'm about to reveal the secret code that gives you access to everything: movies, sports, pay-per-view events, adults, and so much more. And I've helped thousands of viewers set up their devices like pros. And this guide will be no different, trust me. But what's the secret? Well, it's a hidden code that most people don't even know exists. And the best part, it works for everyone, no matter your level of experience. So I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on installing this code, and by the end of this video, you will have a brand new device. But it's good to know that there are only 3 steps to unlock this secret code. But trust me, the last one is the most important. Now, this demonstration will work on any Android device, Android TV, Android box, Google TV, or Firestick device. But first you do need to install the downloader application. I won't go into detail about that since it's a little different on each device. But if you need the full guide, including enabling developer options and installing from unknown sources, check out the link in the description for a complete walkthrough. Now let's not waste any more time and let's get started. But remember, there are just 3 steps and the final one is the game changer. Alright, so open up your downloader application on any device you have and scroll to the search bar. Now click confirm and type in this awesome secret code. It's gonna be 883-7673. So 883-7673. Type it in, take your time, and highlight go. Now it's going to start connecting to this platform. So all you have to do now is just wait patiently for everything to load up. And as you can see, it's finalizing right now. Just give it some time, that's totally fine. And depending on your device, you might need to checkmark something before you enter this platform. Now, when it's fully loaded up, I want you to do a few things first. Press the option button on your remote control. Scroll down once and click on Add Current Page to Favorites. And click Save. Now it's saved and now you can always find it in your favorites. The second thing I want you to do is press the menu button again and enter full screen mode. There you go. Alright, here's the platform. With this, you'll get access to 300 exclusive applications. Yes, that's right, 300. And this is hands down the best downloader code I've ever come across to. And it makes finding apps super easy. You can search for any app you want, or filter by category, or even discover new apps you didn't even know existed. Just by scrolling down a bit, you'll find search and filter. You can search for an app, type it in, or filter any category you want. It literally has everything you need. And here's the cool part. When you click on any app, it will first take you to the description, so you can see exactly what you're getting before you hit the download button. Plus, you'll always see the apps I use at the top of the pages, marked with top app badges right here. These apps have it all. Live content, pay-per-view content, movies, and so much more. But that being said, let's move on to step number 2, installing an app. And you can choose any app you want. There are plenty of options, but for this demonstration, I'm going to go with my number 1 pick, the TV Mate application. It has everything you need, live, sports, and so much more. But don't forget, we still got step 3 coming up. And trust me, that's the most important step of all. So stick around. Now I have TV Mate already on top. Right here, it's under top apps. Click on it and you'll be taken to the description. So I'm just gonna scroll down. It might be a bit blurry for you, but that's totally fine. You'll find the download button on the very end of the page. Now you might see multiple download buttons. You always wanna go for the one on top. Now click download and it's gonna start downloading this application. For this app you will need credentials, but you will see it in the description where you can get one. That being said, now after it's done downloading, it's gonna pop up this menu where you can highlight install and click confirm, and it's gonna start installing this application very quickly and fast. All you need to do again is just wait here, and that's that. Now it's done. You can click done and you can choose to delete the file to free up some space. That's it. Now you will find the app in your apps, right in the very end. There you go. Now let me just go back to the main page. Now let's move on to step number 3, the most important step, and that is protecting yourself while using any app you download is crucial. When you install apps from any platform, this one or somewhere else, you're putting your privacy at risk because your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider. That's why I always make sure my IPVanish app is turned on. Now I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best VPNs out there. Plus you can install it on all your devices with no limits on how many you can use. This is by far my top recommendation to keep you 100% safe and secure while enjoying any apps like these. Now I'm gonna make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is go to your device's app store, search for the IPVanish app and install it. We also have it listed in our top apps. Let me show you. So it's right here, click on it and scroll down and you'll find the download button right here. Click on it and it's gonna start downloading this application. And you can install it and that's it. After that is done, you can open it up. Now once it's installed, open any browser on your smartphone or computer and head over to the website I'm showing you right now. Or you can use your camera to scan the QR code in the corner. I'll also leave the link in the description and the comment section below. Now when you're entering this website, you can grab yourself 83% discount. Choose your plan or even just a month to try it out and complete your purchase. The price is just the cost of a beer a month to keep you 100% protected. It's totally worth it. Once you made your purchase, you will get an email with your password. After that, you're all set to secure your device. Just open the IPVanish app and log in with your credentials. And after that, turn on your VPN. Now you're 100% safe and secure. And there you have it. You have now unlocked the hidden potential of your device, installed your favorite apps and secured everything with IPVanish to keep your privacy safe. Now remember, with just a few simple steps, you can turn your Firestick, Android TV or phone into a powerhouse of entertainment while staying protected online. Now if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Also, please drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything or just any feedback. And don't forget to enjoy your newly transferred device, stay safe, secure, and I'll see you in the next one.